opportunities are endless. You know, we have anything from ice cream, coffee, beer, retail.
Hey everybody, this is Dwayne from Coaster Act, and we're here with Jed Davis, the Experiential Marketing Director of Coaster Cycles. How you doing today, Jed?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Fantastic. You have a great setup here, and we've seen you guys for a few years here at IAAPA. Yes. But this time, you've kind of expanded upon it. Can you tell us maybe a little bit about the history and then where it's gone, the brand?
Yeah, sure. So we started about 17 or 18 years ago in the pedicab rickshaw business. Like you said, we have expanded drastically over the last 3 years. We have launched a new experiential marketing division back in February of this year. We are really just partnering with brands all over the U.S. And nationwide and worldwide to really come on board and just create consumer experiences in a smaller mobile scale, all on three wheels.
Fantastic. Well, our brand typically focuses on theme parks and thrills in general, but like you said, the pedicab is where I understood, because I went to destinations that can get me from point A to point B without too much inconvenience and quicker, which is fantastic. But now you're bringing products and services to me inside the theme park and even outside the theme park. Is that correct?
Yeah, so we definitely, with pedicabs, we can offer those experiences on the traditional pedicabs on the outside of theme parks, giving people free rides from long distances of the parking lots, to the front entrances. In addition to that, we're bringing those experiences inside the theme park to where, they can get an ice cream from one of our ice cream bikes. They can get a nitro cold brew coffee from one of our Starbucks bikes. So the opportunities are endless. We have anything from ice cream, coffee, beer, retail. So really, we're just looking to continue growing and keeping that momentum going. For any brand that wants to come on board with us.
Now, some of the brands, where can we find your product, kind of indirectly speaking? These bikes, where are they at right now?
Yeah, sure. So, there's the Nitro Cold Brew Starbucks coffee bike in Orlando at the City Walk. Okay. So we obviously partner with a lot of experiential marketing agencies all over the U.S. as well. So Venice Beach, we did some activations there this summer. So really, it really just depends on which theme park and which attraction you're talking about. But really all over the U.S. But I would say Orlando and Universal is one of our key accounts right now.
Fantastic. And for some of these parks and outside, other entertainment avenues and centers, your brand allows that mobility, like I said, and I view it as like the releasing of demand. As one area is more crowded, you can turn around and kind of alleviate that, make sure the sales are still there for that brand, and servicing the customer with a better experience, correct?
Yeah, so it's all, brands are always about promotion, and, at the end of the day, it's all about sales. So we're really excited about our partnership actually with Aramark. They actually just deployed 10 NFL beer bikes, to stadiums all across the U.S. So that's been a really big project for us this year is, they go to where, the traditional concession stands can't handle the volume. So we roll up and we, serve cold beer right out of our beer cycles, and it's been a great success so far.
Well, we can't wait to see where you're going into next. If you're a theme park, you got to get some of these bikes. They're great. How long does it take to build them, though?
The typical turnaround time is about 4 to 5 weeks. Okay. That's, during the off season. Our peak season runs anywhere from March to about September. Okay. That will probably be about 6 to 8 weeks turnaround time.
Well, fantastic. Like I said, we can't wait to see what you guys do next. Always love the development, and we're going to check it out. So much for your time. Yes. Thank you so much.
Awesome.